In this video, we're about to go to Bosca Lane.
This is your birthday, boy! Motherfucking birthday! How old are you?
Yo, I'm fucking lit. I'm not even gonna lie, look.
Yo, it's a vibe, bro. It's that we going to Panto.
What is good to the YouTube family? Today we're about to go meet up with a whole bunch of local people in Bosca Lane. I'm not gonna lie, make sure you guys are following me on TikTok because my TikTok account, I posted a video that got 4,000 views. If you guys are from Cambodia, Phnom Penh, and you guys like to party, you're gonna wanna watch this video. This is gonna be my last week in Phnom Penh. So as you can see, we got a whole bunch of likes, a whole bunch of people that viewed it from Cambodia. So we don't know what's gonna go on today. I got high hopes because honestly, we gotta be positive. I wanna get out of my comfort zone, and today, I'm gonna be a social butterfly. Today, I'm gonna have a whole alter ego, and I just wanna meet as many people as I can. And I don't care if I gotta walk up to people, where you come from, I don't care. Today is the day. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys wanna learn how to make money, go to the description. I show people how to travel and make money anywhere around the world. So let's go to Bosca Lane. All right, today is a Saturday. It looks better than before. It's not too bad. Yeah, because I came over here yesterday and it wasn't that packed. Today's looking a little bit better. I said we already solo and we just got to get the soju in the system and let's turn the hell up. Hey. Hey, what is this? That's more my vibe. That's more my vibe. I pop in. Shout out to the guy right here. What's your name?
My name is T.
T? I'ma take his Instagram and I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram, right? Yeah. Look, I'm gonna screenshot it. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I got you. I'm gonna shout you out on YouTube. I got you. We support everybody over here. Look, my boy's gonna be in the next video. I promise you. Watch, he's gonna be in the video. Yo, they let me smoke here. And we gotta just start drinking beer. Fuck it. But bro, yeah, we got 420 here. We right here at the H bar. We at the H bar. Wait, yo, wait.
Then I go home.
Okay, deal. Let me. Oh, what is in here? Oh, god damn, man, never. You know, man. It never be worth it hard.
This is your birthday, boy! Motherfucking birthday! How old are you? 21! 21! Let's get it!
Yo, we out here in H bar. These guys and this couple, you a couple?
Yes, we are married.
They're married. They found me on TikTok.
Yeah.
How did you find me?
I found you on TikTok.
On TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is the best club. Have you been inside yet?
Yeah.
Come on, we gotta go inside. It's a vibe inside. You smoke? You smoke cannabis?
Yes.
I'm about to hook them up. Since y'all found me, I'll hook y'all up. I'm about to hook them up. Stop playing. Oh, stop playing. I was gonna come out here to smoke anyways. We gonna hook them up. Stop playing. Yo, we fucking lit. Why y'all going in? Y'all supposed to go this way. Come on, that way. That way. We going to Puntum, whatever the hell it's called. Putan. Yo, I'm fucking lit. I'm not even gonna lie. Look, Bosca Lane, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. Yo, time of this recording is trash. I'm not even gonna lie. It is dookie. It's not a lot of people. I'm not even gonna lie. Yo, my God, like yo, this is my favorite guy the whole night, yo. He's the fucking best guy the whole night. Yo, it's a vibe, bro. It's that we going to Panto. Yo, he's a vibe, bro. It's hilarious. No, what you tell them? You tell them, a suicide? Boom, boom. That's it. Suicide, 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 boom, boom. That's it, right?
Suicide, boom, boom.
Suicide is how are you doing? Boom, boom. You feel me? The way the night just freaking happened, it's just so confusing. Your boy is literally in a tuk-tuk, literally in a tuk-tuk with some random people that I just met at a club. And we're about to go to something called Puntan, and I'm smoking in the tuk-tuk. It's like, what the hell? I'm literally in the tuk-tuk. I can't show because you know how YouTube is, you know. We lit, we lit. What? Oh, 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 watch the tire, family. Yo, it is Yo, we met these guys at the club. They hooked me up, so you already know. We got a 420. We got Bob Marley in this bitch right here. Yes, sir. Yeah. We out here, bro. They showing me love. We got a 420 with them. Stop playing. We gonna go back in. So I'm over here smoking, right? And they want me to try hash.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, bro.
They want me to try hash.
Because hash is hash and weed is weed.
So we're gonna try a little bit. I can't show it, of course, but we gonna get lit. So,
And the other way, like this.
No, I'm gonna do it regular. Like how?
Okay.
I'm gonna do it regular. I can't.
هات وشك. ودي. ودي.
Wow.
ودي يا ملواني.
ودي يا
They
ملواني.
tobacco.
هو ده.
هو ده.
ارميها عشان ما تضيعليش تاني.
That shit, like, that reminds me in America, it's called Fonto leaf.
Yeah.
Fonto,
Yeah.
hit the heart.
And everything under control.
Is it? Hash is hash, weed is weed.
Yeah,
Hash is hash, weed is weed. Come on. Yo, we out here with the gang.
Weed is weed.
Exactly, out here in Cambodia, stop playing. I'm gonna keep it a whole 1,000 with you. That shit hit. Let me get one more hit. Let me get one more hit of that.
Yeah.
One more fucking.
Weed is weed.
Yes.
Hash is hash.
Weed is weed.
Hash is hash.
Weed is weed.
That's it, my guys.
Hash is hash, weed is
Weed is
weed.
weed,
And
bro.
everything under control.
Under control. Yeah.
Under control. We good. We good. Let's get it, guys. We good.
on me, baby. Switcher, switcher. Turn, turn, turn. Oh shit, oh shit. Y'all ready for this one? Let's go, let's go.
So we about to wrap this video up. We about to go our asses home. We turned up. I love you guys. Most of the video is gonna be from the, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, most of the video is gonna be from my iPhone, so hopefully the quality is good. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. We fucking lit.